What if I told you this one banana becomes 47 different desserts every single day? Millions of bananas enter this factory and come out as something magical. You've eaten banana desserts your whole life, but you've never seen this before. Stay till the end, because the final dessert will shock you. Welcome inside the banana factory. It starts here, in the heart of the tropical plantation. Each bunch can weigh up to 100 pounds, handpicked at exactly the right moment. One wrong cut, and the whole bunch is ruined. A human chain, moving thousands of bunches every single hour. From field to factory in under 6 hours. Freshness is everything. The clock is already ticking. Every single banana is inspected for color, size, and sugar content. Only 70% make the cut. The rest? We'll show you what happens to them later. Inside the ripening room, where science controls nature. Ethylene gas, and 4 days later, perfect yellow gold. 6 a.m. The factory never sleeps. Thousands of kilograms, unloaded in under 20 minutes. First stop, the wash tank, where every banana is cleaned to food-grade standards. High-pressure water removes every trace of pesticide and dirt. Rotating brushes, 3,000 revolutions per minute, scrubbing every curve. Then UV sterilization, killing 99.9% of bacteria. Coming out the other side, spotless, gleaming, ready. Human eyes catch what machines miss. Every banana is laser measured. Size, shape, sugar density. And now, the factory divides them. Each banana has a destiny. Line 1. Banana chips, the world's most popular banana snack. 2 millimeters thick, not 1, not 3, exactly 2. Lemon acid bath, stops browning and locks the color. Into the fryer, 180 degrees of pure coconut oil. Exactly 4 minutes. Any longer, and they burn. The moment they emerge, crispy, golden perfection. The flavoring drum, where sweet, salty, and spicy magic happens. Sea salt, cinnamon, chili, each batch is different. Every 30 minutes, a human taste test. Because machines can't taste perfection. Cooling at exactly 22 degrees, crunch locked in. The portioner, filling each bag to within 0.1 grams of target. Sealed with nitrogen gas, stays fresh for 6 months. Line 1 complete, 10,000 bags every single hour. Line 2 gets the best bananas, the ones too ripe for chips. The pulpier, turning 500 kilograms of banana into pure smooth liquid in minutes. Rich, thick, natural banana puree, no artificial flavoring needed. Fresh cream, cane sugar, a pinch of vanilla, that's the secret. Blended for exactly 8 minutes, achieving perfect emulsion. Pasteurized at 85 degrees, safe, pure, delicious. The continuous freezer, where liquid becomes creamy ice cream in 90 seconds. Watch this, pure silk coming out at -5 degrees. 4,000 tubs per hour, filled, leveled, and lidded automatically. Not one air bubble. Not one imperfection. Premium line. Banana bars dipped in 70% dark chocolate. Into the hardening tunnel, 30 seconds at -30 degrees. each bar wrapped at 200 packs per minute, faster than the eye can see, stored at minus 25 degrees until they reach your hands. Line 3. The bakery, where bananas become cakes, muffins, and bread. 58% banana content, more than any other brand on the market. Flour, eggs, butter, banana, 300 kilograms per batch. Automated pouring. Every loaf gets exactly the same amount. The tunnel oven, 180 degrees for 40 minutes of pure transformation. Inside, the banana bread rises and turns golden. The smell alone would stop you in your tracks. Spiral cooling tower, 3 stories tall, 45 minutes of gentle cooling. The bread slicer, 18 perfect slices in 1.2 seconds. Parallel line, 1,200 banana muffins baked simultaneously. Perfect dome tops, every single one, every single time. The glazing machine, 3 grams of honey glaze per muffin. Precisely. Core temperature check, 92 degrees confirms full bake. Safety first. Crystal clear boxes so you can see the quality before you even open it. Every product tracked, batch number, oven, time, worker, total accountability. But before anything leaves this factory, it goes here. Texture analysis, measuring crunch force to the Newton. Brix levels, sugar content measured batch by batch. Microbiology lab, 72-hour bacterial culture test before shipment. Even the color is measured, golden yellow, every time. The human panel, 6 trained tasters score every product. 1 failed test. The entire batch is quarantined. No exceptions. Approved. This batch is ready for the world. The packing robots, arms moving at 150 picks per minute. Every box packed to maximize space. 3D optimized by AI. Pallet wrapping, 50 layers of stretch film for protection. The finished goods warehouse, 20,000 pallets ready to ship. Loaded into refrigerated trucks, cold chain never broken. From this factory to store shelves in 24 hours. And here, where your story begins. Someone is reaching for these right now because of everything you just saw. Remember those rejected bananas from the start? Here's what happens to them. 100% pure banana smoothie packs. 0 waste. 0. Even the peels become fertilizer, sent back to the farms. 12 hours. 1 factory. Hundreds of thousands of products. Chips, ice cream, cake, all happening at the same moment, right now. Every time you open a banana snack, an entire world made it happen. The factory never stops. And now, you'll never look at a banana the same way again. Like and follow for more factories exposed.